How do you get the best mortgage to buy a home? We're going to dig into that right now. The truth is, there really is no best mortgage, and every buyer might have a different fit about what makes sense for them as they're buying a home and obtaining a mortgage. The first thing you need to think through is how much money do you have to put down for a down payment. The gold standard is 20% down payment, but there are loan programs that allow you to do 10%, 5%, and even 3.5%. But if you can get to that gold standard 20% loan, that's the first ticket to getting the best mortgage. The reason 20% is so helpful is it eliminates the need for private mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is just another fee added on monthly. If you buy a house with less than 20% down, you will have private mortgage insurance until you can prove to the bank that your home has gained enough equity where your loan to value ratio is 80% to 20%. The next thing to consider would be the interest rate you're getting. Now, different loan programs have different interest rates. That 3.5% down loan I was talking about, that's an FHA loan, and those rates and fees are going to be totally different. So if we can stay away from that, that's one way to save some money. Different lenders are going to have different rates. The interest rate fluctuates just like the stock market does on a minute-to-minute basis. And so comparing lenders' rates really needs to be done on the same exact day. If you have a favorite lender but you're hearing another quote from someone else that's a lot lower, we'll see if your favorite lender can do that. So that would be tip number 2, is seeing if lenders will compete for your business on the fees that they're charging you and sometimes the interest rate they're able to give you. Then lastly, if you're going through a local bank, or even a big national bank like Chase or Bank of America, in almost all cases, they give a different rate and a different fee structure to customers of theirs. So you can go get a mortgage from Chase Bank as an example and not be a customer, not have accounts there. But if you're willing to open up accounts and start your retail banking there, you can often get a better deal on your mortgage. Taking that to the next level, private banking clients often get an even better deal. So if you put a significant amount of money into accounts there, they will make you a private banking client, you'll get private banking privileges, and you have a different rate schedule than your average Joe just walking in off the street. But ultimately, the best mortgage is the one that works for you and helps you buy the house. It sounds overly simple, but honestly, the mortgage that works and gets you into the home in a way that's comfortable financially for you and works for you long term, that's the best mortgage. So it could be 5%, could be 50% down, but ultimately working with a high quality lending professional that can walk you through all of the different scenarios and explain the different loan programs to you and help you understand what best fits you will get you to the best mortgage. I hope you found this helpful. For more tips and tricks about real estate, buying, selling, and everything in between, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you on the next one.